Hello riders! There's big news from the world of motorcycle racing. Aprilia Racing once again demonstrates its dominance with the launch of the RSV4 X-GP, a masterpiece born from its extensive MGPT experience and the latest racing technology. This special edition motorcycle will be limited to just 30 units, celebrating the Aprilia RS-GP's decade in the premier class of the Grand Prix World Championship. So, clearly, this is no ordinary motorcycle. The RSV4 X-GP is the fifth evolution of Aprilia's X series, known for its high performance and advanced technology. More than just a replica, this motorcycle actually adopts elements directly from the RS-GP 25 prototype, the original race bike used on the track. From its aerodynamic design to its engine components, everything is designed to deliver the sensation of riding like a professional racer. Even the aerodynamic package, including Aprilia Racing's patented leg and tail wings, is derived directly from race bikes. This combination of front, side, and rear wings increases grip during braking and cornering, resulting in exceptional stability. Beneath its aggressive looks, this motorcycle is powered by a 1,099 cubic centimeter V4 engine that has been specially tuned by Aprilia's racing department. The result? Peak power reaches 238 horsepower at 13,750 revolutions per minute with a maximum torque of 131 Newton-meters. The electronics are controlled by the exclusive Aprilia Racing APX ECU system, which allows for full control of everything from traction control and engine braking to wheelie control. Every detail of the RSV4 X-GP is crafted with the same precision. The aluminum frame, carbon fairing, and magnesium rims all use the same procedures as MGPT bikes. Even the small components are special. Adjustable foot pegs, the clutch lever and fuel tank cap are made from billet aluminum, the air filter is from Sprint Filter, the dual titanium exhaust is made by SC Project, and the STM dry clutch is included. And to own one? Aprilia is selling it online only for 90,000 euros. So this is truly an exclusive motorcycle for a lucky few. So that's our review for today. What do you think? Is this RSV4 X-GP a true dream bike for speed enthusiasts? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on the latest automotive news.